Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how conditional formatting works in Excel with clear and practical examples. Let's get started. In this example, we will highlight students' scores. Scores greater than 50 will be shown in green. Scores less than 50 will be shown in red. The students' scores are located in cells B5 to B14. First, select the range B5, B14. Then go to the menu. Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules greater than. In the pop-up window, enter 50 and choose a green fill color. After clicking OK, all values greater than 50 will be automatically highlighted in green. And go to Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules less than. Enter 50 and choose a red fill color. After clicking OK, all values less than 50 will be automatically highlighted in red. In the next example, we'll use color scale with conditional formatting. This method automatically formats numbers with a color gradient. For example, higher values appear green, and lower values appear red. It's very helpful for quick visual analysis. First, select the range B5 to B10, which contains the sales figures. Then go to Home. Conditional Formatting, color scales. From the list of options, choose one. For example, green, yellow, red color scale. Green represents the highest values. Yellow or orange shows the middle range. Red highlights the lowest values. As soon as you apply it, the numbers will automatically be color-coded based on their value. With the data bars method, we can visualize the size of numbers, as if there's a bar inside each cell showing the value. Start by selecting the range B5 to B10, then go to Home. Conditional Formatting, data bars. You'll see two types of fill: gradient fill and solid fill. You can choose either one based on your preference. Once selected, bars will appear inside each cell, visually representing the value's length. The duplicate values method is especially useful in large datasets. With this method, you can easily identify duplicate entries in your table. The goal here is to highlight duplicate values with a red background. First, select the entire list or range you want to check. Then go to Home. Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules, duplicate values. In the pop-up window, choose the formatting style, light red fill with dark red text. Click OK. As a result, all duplicate values will be highlighted in red, making them easy to spot and remove if necessary. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.